Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Okay, we'll discuss those later. Specific questions. So maybe one or two questions, right? Okay, tell me who crossed 40. Who crossed 40? Who crossed 40? You did. Who else? You did. 40. 35 plus. 35 plus. 30 plus.
Does 30 count?
30 plus 30 count. 30 plus. 30 plus. No? Okay, so you have to bring yourself into the first 10. Right? Things are tricky, everybody is coming into the competition, okay? Okay, so we are going to start the lesson. So we are going to start the lesson. Speed time graphs. Speed. Speed time graph. Okay. Guys, I need 100% silence, okay? John, I need 100% silence. Speed time graph. Okay. What is speed? What is speed? Okay, all of you know. Speed is distance divided by time. Distance is measured by meters, time is seconds. So it's going to be ms minus 1 or m divided by s. That's the unit for speed, right? So sometimes you can have this in kilometers per hour as well. Kilometers per hour. Okay. First question. Convert 5 kilometers per hour to meter per second. Do this quickly. Second question. Convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Everybody do that. Huh? 1 divided by s. Index laws. You know in index laws, 1 divided by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. So if you have meter divided by s, this s is like this, right? Meter times 1 divided by s. So we write this one m using this rule answer. Yeah?
We will cover the book.
Oh. Okay, done? Check. Answer to the first one. That is not supposed to be. Right? Hello. Okay, let's see. 5 kilometers per hour. So that means in 1 hour travels 5 kilometers. So you convert this into seconds. 3,600 seconds. This one 5 times 10 to the power 3 meters. Right? Then you have to make it 1, right? So 1 second means you are dividing both sides by 3,600. So it should be meters. You have to divide it 3,600 seconds. So now you can see meter per second is already set here. So now you can see 1 second. These two zeros gone. So it's going to be 5 with one other 10 is going to be 50, divided by 36, and that is going to be, if you divide by 2, 25 divided by 18 meter per second. That's all. So this can be written as 25 divided by 18 meter per second. That's how you do it. So this is theory, properly learning. Yep. It's in the other board. The other question is in the other board. Sit over there. Yeah. I discuss that again. I'm rediscussing. You know in math, 1 divided by x can be written as x minus 1. Do you agree? What is that called? Index loss. Right? So then m divided by s means m times 1 divided by s. Agree? This 1 divided by s is m s minus 1. Agree? This is written in this way. Why? Because of this theory. Okay? Okay, so do the other question now, everybody. If you're done with that, do this question. Yeah. 72, I think 72 is also, I think. Okay, let's do that. So, first of all, you have to convert this 20 meter per second. So, it's going to be in 1 second, 20 meters, right? And you need to convert this into kilometers per hour, right? So, how do you convert this into hours? Huh? You multiply this by 3,600. So you do the same thing, 3,600. Then you get 1 hour here. Then from here you get this much of meters, right? So you get here 20 times 3,600 meters, right? Yeah. So now you need kilometers. So you divide this by 1,000 to get kilometers. So what you do? 20, 3,600. Now it is in kilometers. So now 2 zeros gone, 0 to 0 gone. So you get now 1 hour, in 1 hour travels 72 kilometers. So this you are going to translate 72 kilometers per hour. That's how you do that question. Okay, so if you are done with that, try to do this question. Yeah.
Is it 196?
I don't know, it's just I need to work it out. Don't waste time, guys. Quickly. Yeah. Okay. So this one, again you take this guy. So it's going to be in 1 hour, it travels 6 kilometers. Now you observe, you need kilometers per second. So you have kilometers already. So why you are changing it? There is no point changing it. So you leave it. So seconds, you are going to convert this into seconds. So this is going to be 3,600 seconds. And then you have 6 kilometers. So you are not going to touch this kilometer mark because of the question. So now in 1 sec, we divide both sides by 3,600. So 6 divided by 3,600. So you get kilometers here, right? So now you can get this answer to be 1 divided by 600 kilometers. So now if you look into this guy, right? So if you look into this guy here, right? So you can see that you can write this as 1 divided by 600 kilometers. So here you have seconds. So it's going to be per second. Ask me if you have any questions. Any single please stop me. Okay? All good? Moving on. Let's talk about graphs. Let's talk about graph. If I give you a graph like this, it's a linear plot actually. If I give you a linear plot like this, right? This is y, this is x. So this is theory. If you have a graph like that, what are the details you can extract from a graph? Yes.
That is going at a steady pace. That is true.
What is? See? What else?
And find like the areas to like when you get
Equation of the line. Yeah.
the gradient.
Yeah. So when you have a line like this, obviously you have these two boundaries. These are called boundaries. Right? So what we can observe is area and the slope of this line. Area and the slope of this line. So these are the two things you are going to extract from a graph. Obviously, this one has an equation. This line has an equation. Obviously, this line has equation. Obviously, if it is a line, there are points on it. Yes, whatever the answers you said is right. So those are there if you think about a line. However, there is a slope, the area under that you can find. Okay. Example. I'm going to give you this. 1, 5, this is t time in seconds. This is distance in meters. Right? So what you have to do is find the slope. Find the slope. Slope is called gradient, right? Find the slope. B, area under the curve. You do that for me? I need to give you these details. Suppose this is going to be 10. Suppose this is going to be 50 meters. So I forgot to tell you, this book is ready. Selective School Theory book, 400 pages. I'll give this to you. I need more copies. I need to make more copies. But let's give copies. I'll give it to you once again. Give me a week. Okay, done? Yeah. So, first one, slope of this one, right? So, slope is m. How do you find it? Rise over run, we call it, right? Rise over run is y difference divided by x difference. So, y difference is 50 minus 10 divided by 1 minus 1. So 4 divided by 4, 10. Yeah? 10, right? What are the units? What are the units? Yes?
Meters?
No?
Meters per second.
Yeah?
Second.
No?
Meters per second.
Meter per second. Because y difference is coming in meters, right? X difference is time, right? It's in seconds. So meter per second. So it's going to be that. So what you have to do is, you have to go with the units in here. So the units in the numerator, the units for the numerator values is going to be meters. Okay? Area. How do you find area? So this is 10. This is 50. You need to find this area. This is 1, this is 5. How do you find this area? You understand this is a trapezium? You understand this is a trapezium? See? These two are parallel. Can you see? These two are parallel. Is it trapezium? So if it is a trapezium, there is a formula, right? So this is 90. So what is that formula? What is that formula, Shabir? For trapezium? Area of the trapezium. I'm going to ask questions from everybody, right? We are in the game. Trapezium. Exactly. So this is A, this is B, this is H. H means the perpendicular distance, right? So area is going to be A plus B divided by 2 multiplied by this H. H means this value. So if you use that, A is going to be 10, B is going to be 40. So 10 plus 40, not 40, 50. Divided by 2, multiplied with, what is H value? H is 4, right? H is 4. So if you do this calculation, you get now 60 divided by 2, 30, 30 times 4, 120. 120. What is the unit? Yeah? Meter square. Meter square. Unit square. What about unit square? What unit? Adit. Unit? Oh. Unit? Unit. For area, what would be the unit here? Yes. Meter second. Meter second. MS? Yeah. Meter square. Oh, you. So, if you really look into an area, it is meter square, yes. But in this case, it's different. The area in this situation gives you something else, not meter square. If it's meter square, actually, if you are looking for area, this is time versus speed. Yes, son?
Distance times time.
Times time.
Multiplied by time.
Distance multiplied by time. So what is distance multiplied by time? Distance multiplied by time. Let's see. Use your brain. Got it? Got it? Look guys, why you don't think in this way? What is A? A is speed, right? What is B? Speed, right? A plus B divided by 2. That means this term. That term is a speed term, right? You understand? 10 is the speed, y-axis. 50 is y-axis in y-axis. Divided by 2, that's average. But speed plus speed. Divided by 2, again speed, right? Make sense? 4. What is 4 here? 4 is horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is time. So speed multiplied by time. It is speed multiplied by time. Yeah? Speed multiplied by time. Speed is given to you ms minus 1. Time is given to you s. Agree? Now what happens? S minus 1 to s will cancel, right? Answer is meters. So area of this gives meters. Meters means what? Distance. So area under delete gives you distance. Write down those things properly. I'm not giving you a right arm, so you can't record this. I'm recording it, but I can't give you a handwritten thing. So you better have your own note. Okay? So, what we understood today? Summary. If you have time, speed graph, you have two things. One is slope, one is the area. So slope gives you what?
Gradient.
Yeah, I know, but slope gives you what?
Like
Okay, hold on, what I'm doing here.
increase of
Hold on. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. Reason, y is ms minus 1. Speed, this is time. So it's going to be like this. So this is going to be 10 ms minus 2. 10 ms minus 2 means acceleration. So slope gives you acceleration. Area gives you distance. Distance is given to you by meters. Acceleration gives you by ms minus 2. So meters, distance, t, time, seconds, right? So m s minus 1, speed, ms minus 2, acceleration. Those are the details we have. Yes.
How could distance, because you said that when you drew the graph, you said that this side was like distance.
No. Look at this one, that's a speed.
And then the one that graph that you said that side was distance.
No, that was a mistake, that's what I said. I was referring to this one, but I mistakenly said it's a distance. Okay. Now when I ask why it is, can I use other law, this law? When I ask why it is ms minus 2, you should know the reasoning, okay? It is not like, oh, it is a fact. Then who cares? It's not like that. You have to know why it is ms minus 2. You can't learn as, oh, it is ms minus 2, okay, that's fine. It's not like that. That's not how you learn. Why it is ms minus 2? Why it is not ms minus 1? Rise over. We are looking at the slope. Okay, let me revise you again. Let me revise you again. You do this question. This is seconds. This is ms minus 1. This is speed. This is time. I have a line like this. Find the slope. How do you find the slope? Okay, so slope is rise over run, right? Okay, so now look at the units in the rise. Rise means vertical. What is the units in the vertical? ms minus 1, right? Units in the vertical direction is ms minus 1, right? Can you see?
What's ms minus 1?
Speed.
Oh yeah. So it's the rise is the speed?
Rise is this.
Yeah.
This is this. That is this. That is copied.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Run is this.
So the
That is this. This is copied.
okay.
I'm talking about units, okay? Units. Now, what is ms minus 1 divided by s? What is ms minus 1 divided by s? Yes.
ms minus 2.
ms minus 2. How do you know? The answer is ms minus 2. How do you know? How do you know? Index loss. 1 divided by s, index loss. 1 divided by s is s minus 1. Agree? Then when you have ms minus 1 divided by s, look at the board, you can write this one as ms minus 1, ms minus 1, then 1 divided by s. So I wrote this one like in this way. So this one is ms minus 1, 1 divided by s is s minus 1. You agree with me?
Yes.
This transition is the index law. So now what is this? S minus 1 is what? S minus, again index law. So it is ms minus 2. So ms minus 2 is acceleration. All good? Yes.
How did you get 1 over 5?
It is not 1 over 5, it is 1 over s.
Oh.
You are going out of the context. He was keep saying that is s, second, time axis. Ask questions, that's fine. Your 9 question. Need to go home.
Just take the conscious so it says F, just in the summary, what is it? It didn't make sense.
Which one?
Just in the summary. Okay.
In summary.
The sorry, after
In here?
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
What do you mean by the energy?
Mn?
So what does it say?
I'm saying m means this meters. It tells you about the distance. T is time, that is in seconds. I was just introducing what is m and what is t. M is meters. This is important. Important. So if you don't know, ask questions. Okay. Done. Question. I will point out to you, you will answer me, okay? This is seconds. This is ms minus 1. Seconds, I would say s. Zero, 2, 6, 8. This value is going to be 10. Right? Find area 1, find area 2, find area 3. Find area 1, area 2, area 3. Mention units. Mention units.
What's the 1 over s?
1 over s means 1 divided by time. 1 divided by second. Properly do it, I'm going to ask question. So work around the brain.
mention the area separately?
area separately. A1 value separately, A2 value separately, A3 value separately. Then if you need total area, it's just a matter of adding those three, right?
Do you also find the total area?
Say it again.
Do you also find the total area?
Yeah, it's just a matter of adding those three, right? So that's part.
Okay.
You got. What is the area number one?
So 10 meters.
Huh?
10 meters.
Area number one is 10 meters. Is that right? 10 meters. Area number three, Chinuli. Area number three, A3 value. Okay, which one you got that? Okay, do the second part and then we'll answer. Good part. Done? We get ready for A3. What is A3 value? 10. A3 also 10? Okay, A1 is 10, A3 is 10 into children. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Children. That's fine. What is the answer? 30. What is the answer for it? 40. So A1, that's a triangle, right? So it's going to be half times. Huh? Yeah, so 2, so this width is 2, right? 2 seconds. Multiplied by height is 10 meters. Meters, sir. See? Units. So then 2 gone, answer is 10. When you look at the units, see? This guy with this guy, it's going to be meters. Because S minus 1 will cancel. Okay, sir? Yeah. And similarly, this one will be 10 meters. And this one will be, it's a rectangle, right? So it's going to be 4. 4 times 10 is 40 meters. What is the dimension? It's a rectangle. So, system will make sure you do your homework, okay? I can see some people are doing, some people are not doing. But we all have a similar goal. Yeah? You all have a similar goal. Now, the students who did selective school this time, some of them got into Northern Melbourne High, some of them not. But those who didn't get, they are very smart kids. How come I know? Because this is a gamble, right? 4% gamble, 10% gamble, 2% gamble. Some schools, they have this 2% allocation. Some schools, most of the Catholic schools, 2% allocation. Other government schools, 4% allocation. Right? So 2% means what? 100 students, only 2 has a chance. 4% means 100 students, 4 has a chance. So if you have 400 students, about 16 people will get a chance. Like in Kamraya. Kamraya, 16 to 20 people go. Okay? Right? They have like around that mark, right? 400, 500 mark. That's 4%. Now if you are in the 2%, now you have to work really hard. You have to be the smartest. Yes.
It's not related to this, but how do you do the homework on?
For that, first of all, you register, I will let you know how to do it. Yeah.
So the system, we get extra, we get homework on the system and we also have to rectify the question, yeah?
Classwork you have to do as classwork. In the system, very good. Now when I give you homework, I give 2 types of homework. One type is, okay, some questions I will do. That is to practice. But you understand this is an exam, right? So in the exam, I have to give you exam type of things. So I'm going to assign a homework for 30 minutes. I set the timer for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I will decide accordingly. And then you will have 50 questions like that. So when you open it up, 50 minutes set for you. So you have to do it at some point. You can't do it partly. If you don't do that, there is a time frame. Monday to, for example, I'm going to submit today. Today is what? Tuesday. And the deadline is going to be Saturday, for example. In between that, you can do. If you are unable to do it, the system will close your position and then tell you and me and your parents that you didn't do it. Right? That. So that is good because at the end, I can give more revision, more practice. Because we all are needy students, right? We, more than me, you need it. You need this education. Yeah.
When we get the paper, do we have to select the answer?
Yeah, so it's a multiple choice question answers, like you have the question, then you have ABC, you have to select it. You have there's a button. Yeah, button and go. And then you can go back as well. If you want to change the stuff, you can go back and change it. Yeah.
So our homework's always going to be text, right?
Depends. It can be a test. If it is a test, you will see it is a test. If it is a homework, whatever the theory related, you will see, okay, this is not a test, but it is a homework.
Also, will you be abandoning the classroom?
Say it again?
Will you be abandoning the
No,
classroom?
I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to mostly use this one.
So so we'll still get homework on Google.
No. Moving forward, all the homework is coming through the system. Yeah, because I don't want to switch into 2 different platforms because I need that time condition paper training. So I have to stick with this.
Right, so it's just from now on, all our homework's in here.
Yeah.
But you can still, but just to Google Classroom. Just
I'm not going to deactivate it. I'm going to keep it
Okay.
in case.
Okay.
Do we have to rectify the questions online?
As usual, the way you are doing it.
So we have to do it?
You have to do it.
Online?
You have to do the rectification the way you are doing it in the book. Whatever comes in online, it is online. You have to do online, you have to submit online. Whatever the things I give you, I will specify. This is the homework, do these questions and bring the book. That means bring the book. If it is online test, it's online test. That's it. The instructions will be mentioned to you clearly. Yeah? And finally, my goal was to complete this assignment, right? So you can see time graph. This I will upload to you, and this will be your homework, theory homework. You do it in your book. Yeah.
When we do our assignment, will they always be on upload?
Depends, we'll see. Huh? So you will get an email when submit the homework, you and your parents will get an email that okay, the homework is submitted. From time to time, you can go and check as well to your profile. Yeah, this is going to be uploaded. This one in the guys, make sure you go to the website and then get registered tonight because you are going to miss this otherwise.